Welcome to Crop and Tech. Witness the most savage tree-destroying machines ever built. From mega processors to monster logging beasts, these machines turn forests into dust. Wow, the BGU KSA 370 is a beast. Watch it tear through those logs with insane power. Engineered for maximum productivity, this machine is built to tackle the toughest splitting tasks with unmatched precision and strength. The Steel MS-881 is engineered for professionals who demand extreme cutting power and reliability, even in the harshest conditions. This chainsaw is unreal. It just devours logs, making it look effortless. The Diamond Z is a beast. It processes wood at lightning speed, making quick work of the heaviest materials. It grinds through everything without a problem. The Dopstadt DH811 is a powerhouse. It grinds through massive amounts of wood with incredible ease and speed. I'm blown away by the power and precision. Designed for extreme durability and performance, the Comptech Crambo 6000 ensures efficient shredding of logs, providing high output for large-scale operations. It shreds logs with incredible force and speed. The Joppa 365 Pro Firewood processor is incredible. It powers through logs like they're nothing. Equipped with a powerful engine and hydraulic system, this machine is designed for high-efficiency firewood processing, even with larger trunks. I'm amazed by how fast and effortlessly the Echo CS7310SX handles even the toughest logs. What a machine! combines an advanced engine with a durable build to ensure high productivity, even in the toughest conditions. I'm blown away by how quickly and effortlessly it handles even the toughest wood. Impressive performance from the posh Spaltfix K450. With its reliable and durable construction, this machine delivers top-tier results, ensuring every split is perfect. This chainsaw is impressive. The Jonsered 2252 handles logs with precision, cutting effortlessly through thick wood. I'm really impressed by how fast and smooth it cuts. The Jonsered is a top performer for sure. The Vermeer TG7000 is mind-blowing. It handles the toughest wood processing tasks with ease and incredible power. Built for efficiency and high productivity, the Vermeer TG7000 processes logs, branches, and other wood materials with precision and power. Watch the Palex KS43S in action. Nothing stands in its way when it comes to splitting logs. Featuring advanced technology and a user-friendly interface, the Palex KS43S ensures reliable results, even when handling tough wood. Wow, this chainsaw is amazing! The Stihl MS462 takes on thick logs effortlessly. What a performer. I'm really impressed by how smooth and fast the Stihl MS462 cuts. It's a game changer. The Peterson 4310 drum chipper features a high-powered engine and innovative drum design, making it perfect for high-capacity chipping in tough conditions. This chipper is incredible. The Hockey Pilkey Easy 50 HD is amazing. It makes quick work of those logs, splitting them with precision and ease. Incredible performance. This machine makes even the toughest splitting tasks look effortless. Built for maximum durability and reliability, the Terex Ecotec TBG630 is engineered to handle tough materials with ease and precision. The Terex Ecotec combines a powerful engine with advanced technology to provide exceptional results. Look at the SpaltFix K650 Vario Go. This machine tears through logs effortlessly like they're nothing. The speed and power of the splitter are astonishing. The Solo 681 features a powerful engine and ergonomic design built for heavy-duty cutting with precision and comfort. I'm really impressed by how smoothly it cuts. This chainsaw is a real powerhouse. Built for reliability and power, the Makita UC4051A corded chainsaw offers smooth operation with its powerful 14.0 AMP motor and easy-to-use features. I'm blown away by how smoothly it cuts. This machine is built for serious work. The Husqvarna 572 XP combines top-tier technology and design, ensuring it delivers consistent, high-powered performance, even in the most demanding conditions. It turns heavy-duty tasks into a breeze. The Cord King CS2740 is a powerhouse. It cuts through logs with such ease you'd think they were made of butter. I'm amazed at how quickly it processes even the largest logs. This machine is all about speed and power. Designed for heavy-duty use, the Terex Ecotec TDS 825 combines high performance with advanced engineering to tackle even the toughest processing jobs. It's an absolute machine.